Is your Ninja Swirl rattling, shaking, or moving around the counter during a cycle? A little movement is normal, but if it's bouncing or making the whole surface tremble, here's what to check. Step 1. Make sure the pint is centered and flat. An unbalanced pint can throw the entire spin cycle off. Remove the lid, reseat the pint so it sits flush in the bowl, and try again. Step 2. Check for frozen solid or uneven mix. Overfrozen or lopsided pints can cause wobble during spinning. Let the pint soften at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes, then remix for even consistency before restarting. Step 3. Inspect for loose or misaligned parts. Make sure the lid, swirl press, and outer bowl are locked in firmly. A loose part can amplify vibrations during rotation. Step 4. Place the unit on a flat, stable surface. Uneven counters or slick surfaces can cause the whole unit to shake. Try placing it on a damp towel or rubber mat to reduce slippage and noise. Step 5. Listen for internal rattling or impact sounds. If the machine is still shaking excessively with everything aligned, internal parts like the motor mount or drive shaft may be worn or loose. You'll want to contact Ninja Support for a possible inspection or repair. If this helped calm things down, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more real appliance solutions. And if you're dealing with frozen mix or sticky residue under the pint, we've linked a food-safe brush set below that helps prevent jams and wobble. Thanks for watching, and spin steady.